Hello everyone, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject Moral Science, chapter number 3, topic My Parents, My Joy, part 1. I, Rituvish Ramola, hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, let's read My Parents, My Joy. Children, they play the biggest role in our development. Father and mother play important role in our mental, physical, social and career development. Parents are the most precious gift of God of us. They help us in every step of our life. They trained us very hard style for the future challenges. So children, let's read My Parents, My Joy. In this, a boy Arun and his father. So Arun's father asked to Arun, Arun, what are you doing? Papa, I am collecting the pictures of great people. Arun replied, did you complete all your homework? Tomorrow is Sunday, Papa. I shall finish it afterwards. Then his father said, okay, why are you collecting the pictures of great people? How many did you get? His father asked to Arun. So now children, keeping his hands over Papa's shoulders and hugging him, Arun said to his father, look, this is the great man I admire. Oh, it is not my photo. From where did you get it? It's from your album. Papa, you are the greatest of all great men. Miss Smitha told during the last day's class that parents are the one who love their children the most. What did you say then? I told ma'am that I know it's since my birth. Now children, Arun's father asked to Arun, how do you know all those things? Do you remember them? Mom told me everything. She told me about your anxious waiting for my birth. The many kisses you gave me on my chubby cheeks. Holding me in the hands for the first time. And how you taught me to walk. And everything. It is not because of your love towards me. Do you remember what your mom has done for you? This question asked his father. I know them very well. Is it not mom who gave me bath and food every day? Arun told to his father, he know all things. Not only mom who gave me bath and food every day. Not Especially that day. Do you know how many sleepless nights has she spent for you when you were small? Whenever you cried, Mom cried you in her hands. During your sicknesses, she sat by your side. See, Papa, Mom's photo is also here among the great people. Akash, this is my Papa and Mom. They love me very much. I too love them so much. Arun, does Mom help you in your studies? Now, children, here Arun is talking with his friend Akash. By showing his mother-father picture, he is telling to Akash, they love me very much and I love them so much. Not only Mom, Papa also helps me. How happy we are. Akash, I think it is really the parents who are behind the success of all great people. Now, Arun is telling to his friend Akash how the parents are important. Miss Malati has also told us the same. Akash, let us take few decisions. We will not hurt our parents. We will obey and help them. Let us also tell this to the members of our club. Okay, Arun. Now, Arun and Akash are decided something. And now they are telling to their members of club. That day, Arun wrote in his copy, I will always love, obey and help my parents.